Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Audiomack app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on apps. Come to apps is here, and then you're looking for Audiomack, just click on it here. Or just click here on search. Then here at Audiomack, you just, sorry. At here Audiomack, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this is click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage is here. Just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, just so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.